Hello friends, today we are going to discuss more short sums of index number. Here is the question. The cost of living index number increased from 280 to 340 during a certain time period and the wage increased from rupees 13,500 to 14,750. Find the real gain or loss of the worker. That means cost of living has been increased from 280 to 340 and the wage has been increased from 13,500 to 14,750. Now we have to find the what is the real gain or real loss. Here it is a direct method. Okay, here they have given the direct method. Last year's wage into current year's cost of living index number divided by last year's cost of living index number. Here we have got the amount rupees 16,392.85. This is the direct method. What is the direct method? Current year, last year wage into current year cost of living index number divided by last year cost of living index number. We will be getting the price. Whatever will be the current year's wage. Or, okay, next method you can do whatever is given in the question. Whatever is given in the question. That means in the question cost of living index number and wage is given. So cost of living was 280, it increased to 340. Wage was 13,500, it increased to 14,750. But according to the cost of living index number, is the wage increasing? That we have to see. So first we have to find gain or loss. It is always compared with the last year. Whenever we want to find whether it is loss or gain, always we have to compare with the last year. So here we have to do the cross multiplication. What we have to do? Here we have to do the cross multiplication. That means these three. The calculation we will be including these three. 13,500 into 340 divided by 280. Same amount we are getting over here. Okay. What should be the wage? If cost of living index number was 280, it increased to 340. So if the wage was 13,500 according to the CIN, the wage should be rupees 16,392.85. But in this we have given 14,750. So it is increasing or decreasing? We should get more amount, but we are getting less amount, so we are getting loss. How much loss we are getting? That for finding how much loss, rupees 16,392.85 minus whatever the amount is given. That means what is the loss amount? The loss amount is rupees 1642.85. Let's go to the second sum. That is rate of inflation. The wholesale price index numbers for the year 2014 and 2015 are found to be 177.6 and 181.2 respectively. Find the rate of inflation using index numbers of both the year. So here we are having the formula. Rate of inflation equals to wholesale price index for the current year 2015 minus wholesale price index for the preceding year 2014 divided by wholesale price index for the preceding year 2014 into 100. Put the values according to the year, current year and preceding year, divide it, multiply it with 100. Whenever we are doing multiplication with 100, the answer is always in percentage. Remember that. In any of the sum, in any of the method, whenever we are multiplying it with 100, that means the answer will come in percentage only. Next, real wages method. The cost of living index numbers and average monthly wage from the year 2010 to 2013 are given as follows. Find the real wage for each year. In the question, year is being given to us, average monthly wage is given to us, cost of living index number is given to us. It is given in horizontal, we have to write in vertical. We have written in year, average monthly wage, cost of living index number. First, whenever we are solving the sum, first of all we have to write the formula. Real wage formula equals to average monthly wage upon cost of living index number into 100. For the year 2010, what is the monthly wage? 35,000. What is cost of living index number? 120 into 100. In the same way for the following also we have to do this. We will be getting the real wage. Next sum. If the production of an item increased by 9 upon 5 times in the year 2016 as compared to the base year, find the index number of production for the year 2016. It means it is increasing also plus it is having times also. Okay, it is increasing also plus it is having times also. So production of the index number for the year 2016. Okay, base year index number, it is increasing also. That means base year always we are considering it as 100. Base year we are always considering it as 100. Increase means plus, times means 100 into 9 upon 5. That means it is having time also plus increase also. Solve this part first, add it, we will be getting the answer. Thank you.